everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a set of art prompt cards using my Xyron Creative Station. Now, if you follow me, you know how much I love to art journal and share my art journal projects, and this is my secret for being able to look at a blank page and know where to start. I know that sometimes it's really hard to look at a blank canvas or a blank page and know exactly what to do first. And these art prompt cards will help you get going and keep going. Thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make a set of art prompt cards. Art prompt ideas are guidelines meant to inspire creators and give them subjects to tackle. The intention is to get the ideas flowing, break with the fear of facing the blank canvas, and just start. A good way to exercise your creativity is to work with an art prompt every time you open your journal. An art diary, art journal, or visual journal is a daily journal kept by artists, often containing both words and sketches, and occasionally including mixed media elements such as collage. Art journaling creates a deeper sense of self-awareness, empowers us, inspires us, and can move us in powerful ways. It eases the stresses of life by getting the chaos inside our heads down on paper. I'm going to leave a link to Xyron and where you can purchase my 189 art prompt cards so that you can just print them out and make your own set of cards, and you'll never stare at a blank page and not know what to do again. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction Perfect Paper Projects, and I'll see you next week. Bye.